Okay, viewers, here once again, welcome to our channel. This is once again our amazing circuits which we are going to demonstrate. This circuit is a digital timer, and this is used, and it having a lot of application, like in our washing machine. This is the simplest application of this circuit, actually, where we are feed it a time, predefined time, and during that interval of time our washing machine is in on state, and when that time which we feed it in this circuit is spare, then the washing machine will turn off automatically. This is the simplest application of this circuit. Anyhow, there are a lot of application of this circuit inside industries and as well as in homes and different electrical and electronic circuits. So we are trying our best to make this circuit as simple as possible. But here, so here we have a keypad. With the help of this keypad, we are enter our time, and this time which we are going to insert inside this circuit is visually appear on this LCD screen. This LCD screen having a minutes and seconds durations. With the help of this keypad, we are actually feeding time inside this circuits. So how we can do it, let's see. So, for example, if I want to turn on or off this load for a 12 second, and I feed up 1 and 2 is 12, and by pressing this start button I start this timer or reset this timer. Once again, this 12, and when I push this hash button, it will start its countdown, and after 12 seconds this load will turn off. So let's see. Okay, here we see that the time which we feed in the circuit is 12. If I want to reset this time, here we see that the time which we feed in the circuit is 12. If I want to reset this time, I can reset this by pressing this start button. For example, I want to turn on this load for 7 minutes. So 0, 7, and then again 0 or 0. This is a 7 minute. First of all, I feed up this time with the help of this keypad, and then by pressing this hash button, the timer will start its countdown. Now this circuit will work for, or this load will be in on state for 7 minutes. So if I want to cancel this countdown, so I can do it very easily by pressing this start button. Now it's in a reset. I can say that I can reset the time by pressing this start button. For example, I feed up once again a time of let's say 4 minutes and 58 seconds. I feed it and I start it by pressing this hash button, and if I want to reset during its countdown, I can do it by pressing this start button. So this is a working function, and this circuit again consists on this LCD screen. Let me show you the main component of this circuit, or the core component of this circuit. This LCD screen, I can remove it. So this microcontroller receives the signals or the information that we are feeding from this keypad, and after that it will work. Similar to our other circuits, this circuit also consists of this power supply section, this relay. This relay is used to turn on and off this load, and a microcontroller, and this LCD screen. And this LCD screen can be pull, push, can be feed in this circuit again, because I have installed here a female header jacket and a male header jacket over this LCD screen, and over over this circuit I screen, and over this circuit I solder this female header jack so it can easily remove from the circuit. Okay, requested all of you, please like and subscribe our channel Mishkatullah, and share this if you like this video, and share this video with